my loves, welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey. Okay, it's time to get blonde. Like, it's about that time. My man's coming home. He loved the blonde, so guess what? I'm putting on the blonde, okay? So I bought this blonde wig, and I'm excited because, baby, it's 40 inches. She is long, okay? This is the company that I bought it from. A long time company that I've been knowing and keep doing great things, sis, okay? I had to support. So I got me this wig, baby, and it's time to slay it, okay? Y'all see it. It's just 613 hair. It's a frontal. The knots are really small and pretty, and I know I'm about to kill this wig, okay? Like, I'm not playing no games, okay? I just got me some straight hair because ain't no way I'm about to try to curl no 40-inch hair. You feel what I'm saying? So this is the straight hair and a nice HD frontal, okay? I'm gonna try to do some fancy stuff with it and show y'all some little new techniques I've been trying out. So I'm excited. First and foremost, let's get in the bathroom and let's get this brassy tone out, okay? I'm gonna watercolor the hair and I'm gonna wash it with purple shampoo to get this brassy tone out. I want it to really be white, but I know that I don't know how to do all that. Like, I went to college school with color theory and all that, but look, like, ooh, that wasn't my strongest suit. You get what I'm saying? So we're gonna use this Adore dye. I'll show you guys in the next clip, but let's get on into installing, dyeing, all that good stuff, and I'll be back. For now, just enjoy this relaxing install. Okay, y'all, I'm literally kind of pissed because I did not want my hair to be this dark, and it's kind of like green, and it was because I set the wig in there as I already started like putting the got to be on the lace because I forgot, and I was like supposed to be dipping it to see the color it would make, and this is too dark, so I'm kind of trying to rinse it with hot water, but I don't think it's gonna work, so we just gonna have to roll with it at this point. Screw it. Okay, quick intermission, y'all. When I say that I cannot make this stuff up, like, I literally can't make it up. Like, so basically I wanted just an ashy blonde wig. I still wanted it to be blonde, just ashy, not so brassy. So I'm like, let me just take some dye and use this little platinum color. Baby, it literally is like silver, but it's like green silver because, again, didn't I say in the beginning of this video, I don't know color theory like that? Yes, I do. Duh. Freaking blue and yellow makes green. Goofy. I'm pissed. The yellow of the wig, the blue tint that's in the dye made my wig literally boo-boo green. Like, I'm pissed. Anyway, it's fine. It's fine. Because I looked up a YouTube video thanks to this lovely lady right here. I'm going to put her at because baby came through. She literally just said mix baking soda, dishwashing liquid, and boiling water. So that's what I'm about to do to get rid of this ugly tint in my wig. And so I can start fresh. And I'm just going to use purple shampoo because you don't even need to dye your wig if you want a ashy blonde wig. Like, what are you doing, Deb? You're doing the most. For what? Like, whoo. Anyway, let me just say this hair is fire, to be honest. Like, I feel like it should have been matted by now, how much crap that I've done to it so far. But it's doing very good. So we'll update more on the hair later. For now, let's get this crap out of my wig, okay? Okay, I tried out the method, the baking soda, dishwashing liquid, and shampoo with the hot water, and it honestly worked great. This was the first time I tried, like, right off rip. It, like, removed a lot of that blue out of there, that ugly green boo-boo color. Like, it was gross, y'all. Then this was the second wash, and by the third time, it was, like, perfectly ashy toned. You guys, I'm literally, like, screaming of happiness. I got to the exact ashy blonde color that I wanted. Too geeked right now, okay? Honestly, I don't think I would have been able to get it this ashy had I not messed up first. Believe it or not. So yeah, it's super ashy tone. And I'm actually geeked. That like blue and then like me reversing it and then going back with the Shimmer Light shampoo really did something special to it. So I think it's going to be really ashy how I want and perfect. So I'm excited. All right, guys, we're all ready. She's nice and dry how I want. I literally just wrapped this black t-shirt around this because, you know, get it how you live. So I gotta brush her out and stuff like that, but she's nice and dry and not tangled at all. Like, I can actually run my hands through the entire wig, no problem. So that's pretty flipping awesome, you know. I'm gonna press, I got my stuff ready. I'm gonna press her and flat iron her, and I'm working in my room because I wanted to watch this show, you know what I mean, on the TV. So yeah, I'm gonna watch this while I just straighten her on out, and then I'll come back to you when she's all straightened out and all that good stuff. I think I'm gonna do a middle part, and yeah, this part's unimportant, so let's just move forward to when we get to the install. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed it. As you can see, the hair is laid. Yeah, the wig, it's giving. Okay, the look is icy. It's just the whole thing is just giving icy. So even the nails, they're giving icy. So get into it. Let's get into these low light videos. And again, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.